Hello.
What's up?
Uptown Swing, level.
Peter.
Val. Level Val.
Val. Level.
Classics.
Class. Nailed it. One take, y'all. So, here's what we did. We started out with Around the World, followed by points. Go like something like this. Hey. Bam. Bam. Hey, hey, hey. You can do it again. Hey. Ho, ho. You go. Bam. Bam. Pew, pew, pew. Let me show you the leader's footwork one time because leaders can get a little lost on this. We turn more than the followers. Half turn. 5, 6, 7, 8. What you got to do is you think you're going to end up on the other wall. Half swing out. Throw the arm. Then you go right here. You want a rock step, but you don't get to. Bam. Bam. Bam, bam, bam.
Followers, don't rush it. Be more patient because if you are rushing right away, there is no way this move can happen. You really want to be chill.
Lazy.
Not travel too much. Then you have a chance.
Then we did the double rock step. So, rock step, triple step, rock step, hitch step, triple, boom, boom, boom. Let's show it the other way. Leaders, note my double rock step and that hitch step while Val is doing a really solid twist. You guys really connected well in that moment. Hey, rock step, hitch step. Leaders, remember, you're here. There is no rock step. There is only hitch step. Now you're back into the stream where you would normally be on a rock step. When I do that at the same time as my partner twisting, hitch step, that's our connection. That's the lead in. Makes it feel really, really good.
Yeah, we're using each other's momentum in that moment, and it feels so good.
You need people. So, then we did glide to the side. Like to see it? Here we go. Rock step, triple step, scoot, and scoot, and scoot. Rock step, triple step, scoot, and scoot, and scoot. That's it.